Yo, what's going on everybody? Technical TOG here guys, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to VESA mount the Samsung Odyssey G5. As you guys can see, the stand that came with this monitor is not really that adjustable, and also it takes up a lot of space on your desk, so do not worry. I will show you guys how to VESA mount this monitor with a budget monitor arm you guys can get off Amazon. I will link that down in the description, of course, if you guys want to check it out. Over here guys, we have the monitor, so make sure you have a soft cloth or mouse pad at the bottom, and then we're gonna have these 4 screws that will most likely be included with your monitor or the monitor stand. Sure, you have a soft surface for your monitor so it doesn't scratch the screen of this monitor, because it's pretty delicate if you're gonna place it on a table outright. But over here you guys can see we do have the stand right now. A lot of you guys probably think you're gonna remove the stand by just like loosening this screw over here, but that's actually not quite the truth. You're going to have to remove the main part over there. So as you guys can see, we're going to gently place our hand under the stand or on top of it, whatever is comfortable for you guys. I like to do it this way. Wiggle it a little bit and it will slide right out. As you guys can see, it wasn't really sturdy, but this is the monitor arm that we're gonna use that will be adjustable and also a lot more safer for our monitor, so it can be sturdy. Over here you guys can see this is a 100mm one or 75 by 75mm VESA mount. So yeah, I just used this one, but as you guys could see, I needed to adjust it a little bit because it didn't quite fit on the design. But you basically just tote this arm around and then you will get something that fits like I did over here. So for me it worked for this other part to face downwards instead of upwards, and yeah, it basically worked out pretty nicely. We're gonna take our 4 screws over here and we're quickly just going to place them into one of these holes over here in the monitor, and as you guys can see, just lightly tighten them with your hand first, and we're quickly just going to speed this up because it's gonna take quite a while. And yeah, then guys, you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. You guys can use any star screwdriver as well. I didn't have one, so we're using this one. Over here you guys can see we just quickly tighten up all these screws so they are secured. You do not want them to be too loose, and yeah, basically you guys don't have to overly tighten them, but for me it is just always kind of good to have them a little bit off, so they're a little bit tight. But don't worry about the bottom, it's supposed to look like that. It is still pretty sturdy, as you guys can see. You can pick up the monitor, everything. Now we're quickly going to take the monitor stand. Over here you guys can see it's a desk clamp, so you can just put it on your desk like so. Really easy. That's why I always like these desk clamps, because it's just very user friendly. So make sure to check out this stand on Amazon. I'll definitely link it down there, as well as other like higher quality stands. I'll link also this monitor, the Samsung Odyssey G5, if you want to get that as well. But here we are. This is how the monitor looks with the stand, and honestly guys, I think it looks amazing. My desk has a lot more space. Of course there is no plants now, so just ignore that. But this is the adjustability. As you guys can see, you can turn it, you can basically, oh, camera focus. You can basically tilt it like so. It just generally works really well for adjustment and security for your monitor. As you guys can see, there's a bunch of different styles you can place your monitor. You can even tilt it like so, and everything. Guys, honestly man, this is how my setup looks. Of course my desk is a little bit messed up. You guys can probably see the tape over there, the left side, and I need to add some decoration. But this is just to show you guys a quick guide. This is not going to be any fancy desk gaming setup, you know. I'm just going to show you guys how to VESA mount this monitor, and that's exactly what I did. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you out. And also, if you guys want this monitor and you want to go check it out, I actually made a video of unboxing and a little bit of a review, so go check that out over here in the right side corner. It's above right now. And yeah, then maybe I'll see you guys on that video. See you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.